Do you have grayscale in your coloring pages or blurry and you just can't figure it out? Now, I use Photoshop. I know a lot of people use Canva and other programs, but I pay for Photoshop anyway, so I may as well use Photoshop. This is how I make a 72 dpi, not high quality image into a high quality printable image that I can use in my coloring books. So you can see right now, this is a little bit blurry. First of all, I have created a size set in Photoshop for coloring book pages. This is 8.5 by 11, 300 dpi. And it's going to take this image and convert it to that. I always view as a fit on screen so I can see the detail better. Sometimes if I have a lot of blurriness and things I need to look at, I view it at 100% so I can really get in there and look. You can still see how blurry these lines are. That's not good enough. So we'll go Image, Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast, bump that contrast all the way up to 100%, and hit OK. That is going to give us, let me zoom into 100%, perfectly white. That white and that black are black and white. It's eliminating all the grayscale and it's making it a nice crisp image. Except those lines are still too blurry. That ain't gonna cut it. That's not high quality. So from there, you go Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask. I have mine set to about 96%, and I hit OK. You don't see a huge difference, but when you view this at 100%, you can see how much crisper and clearer those black lines are. Is a much crisper, much clearer 300 dpi, 8.5 by 11 image now. So from here, I just save a copy. I overwrite my crappy file as a PNG, save it as a PNG, because those are better. And after I do that, then I use InDesign since I pay for the whole Adobe suite. May as well take advantage of the whole Adobe suite, right? I use InDesign and I have a coloring book template set up to where I add all of my pages to any particular coloring book. I create my cover in Photoshop, and it's good to go. I hope that helps somebody.